Hi everyone. So in this video we will be talking about TCS. Okay, and in this video, if you are watching this video, first of all, see we are posting a lot of free content for TCS. You will be getting the playlist. Okay, so we already uploaded around 60 videos in the playlist, and it is not like there are small videos. Today we uploaded a one short video for around 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour 25 minutes, and also you will be getting multiple videos here for free. So we are providing a lot of free content. So if you want to prepare for TCS, definitely these content will help you out. Okay, apart from this, in this video I will be talking about some problems with the TCS NQT aptitude. Aptitude means TCS numeric ability. Okay, numeric ability, reasoning, reasoning and English. Okay, so we will be talking about some points in which there are some problems. Okay, so let's start this video. Before starting this video, I want to talk to you guys. We have currently like around 15 to 16 days to prepare. Okay, and if you guys want to prepare with the important topics, also you want to guys want to participate in the daily live test. Okay, daily test, daily live test, daily practice test, and you want to prepare for TCS NQT, you can enroll in our mock test series. The link will be in the description of the mock test series. Okay, and the biggest benefit is from March you will be getting the full length mock test series, like full length live test. The biggest advantage of the live test are when you will participate in the test, suppose 200 students are participating, then you can see your rank, like what rank you are securing in the test. So this is the biggest advantage, okay, in this mock test series. So after seeing your rank, you can compare your performance with other students, like where they are standing, where you are standing. Then you can improve yourself. Okay, and our students also give the test very seriously, very seriously. They attempt the test. You will love the competition among the each other. Okay, and it is not like the number of the students who participate in the test are less. It is not like in the live test only 50 students will be participating. There will be a good number of the students who will be participating in the test, because already many candidates have purchased our series. So you will be seeing a very good number in the test, so you can judge your performance according to that. Okay, so it will help you out a lot. Also, we are providing the practice coding sheets, everything, daily practice sets and all we are providing. So definitely you can enroll in the series. The link will be in the description. Okay, now see, we will talk about first we will start with numeric ability. So see, first of all I want to discuss about everything. Okay, so numeric ability, there is a issue. In 2024, TCS conducted the exam of TCS NQT off campus. In that, the level of the questions which they asked in the numeric ability was medium level, like medium level questions they asked. Okay, so the cutoff went around 12 to 13 plus. Okay, 12 to 13 is what the cutoff which they marked in the year of 2024, and the exam for the numeric ability was not so much tough. Okay, then 2025 happened in the off campus. In the off campus again, the numeric ability section was around medium level only. Okay, not much hard, and the cutoff went around 10 to 12 questions. Okay, because it was like little tough than 2024. Okay, then the exam happened in 2026 on campus. Now what actually happened in this exam? When exam happened, there was total 20 questions. Now many students even prepared with our courses, other courses and all, but after even doing very good in our courses, they scored around 8 to 10 marks in the numeric ability. Now some student felt, oh, my performance is not good, I only scored between 8 to 10 marks. But that is the main thing. TCS, it is not like, suppose even this year, if you will prepare very good, it is not like if you even did very good preparation, then you can score 10 plus marks out of 20. Okay, because see, it totally depends what kind of level they are setting. Because if I talk about this year, what actually they did in the numeric ability, they combined like 2 to 3 questions, and after combining the 2 to 3 questions, they formed a one single question. So this kind of question they asked, okay, this year. So what happened? The time was very less, and many candidates actually did 6 to 7 questions only. Okay, 6 to 7 questions only in numeric ability. Then for other questions, they did the tukka. So this happened this year. Okay. So that's why actually what happened in on campus 2026, the cutoff went down to 6 to 8 questions. So if you have done 6 to 8 questions, the candidates got the next round. So the thing is, even this year, we don't know for the off campus what kind of pattern they will set. They will ask the medium level questions. If the questions will be of medium level, the cutoff will be generally around 10 to 12 questions. But if they set the hard questions, the cutoff can be around 6 to 7 to 8 questions, which they set it for on campus. Okay, but there is a probability that the will be between medium to hard, and your aim should be to try at least get 10 questions correct. Okay, 10 questions correct. For that, one strategy which I recommend is that is weightage based preparation. Okay, weightage based preparation. We don't know like what kind of question they are asking, but if we go to the weightage, there are like 3 to 4 very important topics. Okay, so what we can do is we can work so much hard on these topics. So what actually will happen if you will work so hard on these topics? The good thing is if you will do a lot of practice, then if these 3 to 4 topics are the higher weightage topic, then you will get a advantage in the paper that maybe from 6 to 7 questions maybe come from these topics. Then maybe you can score good in the exam, because apart from these 6 to 7, if you even will do 2 to 3 questions, you will touch the 10 marks. And see, 10 marks is overall what we I have seen is average good score. Also, it depends upon what kind of paper it is. Okay, if the paper level is medium, then the score can be between 10 to 12 also. But what I have seen in this year on campus, maybe this year the cutoff can be a little bit down because they set it a lot of hard paper this year for on campus. Okay, also for preparation, I would highly suggest to give the full length test, because what actually happened this year, we when we conducted the live test, okay, we conducted the live test this year. What actually happened, I will tell you. So it was a 65 questions test, 65 questions test. Okay, and the topper of our course scored 42 marks. This is the main thing. The topper of our course scored 42 marks. This way only you can judge your performance. That even the topper is performing 42 marks, and the average score was around 32 to 35 numbers. This is what even you will score in your NQT exam, because majority of the students will score between 30 to 35 marks in their TCS NQT exam. This is the reality. But what we will do is we will conduct at least like 3 to 4 full length tests, which will be live tests. So what you can do is you can see the areas where you can improve. Also, currently we are doing the short live test. Okay, this is the only way, because see, I will say that you are giving a 20 question test. Suppose you did for 15 questions, and then you are thinking, oh, I did so great. But the thing is, in this 20 question, it matters what was the difficulty of the exam, how other students are performing. Because bhale you scored the 50 questions in 20 question, but many students if performed 15 plus, then it is not a good score, because our score and preparation depends like what other students are performing. And this is the main thing which I want to focus on. Okay, so these kind of mock test will be there, full length, in which you can see your ranking, like what rank you are scoring. Based on that you can improve. Suppose your rank is good in numeric, suppose your rank is not so good in reasoning, then what you can do is you can improve in reasoning if you are not scoring much good marks in reasoning. Okay, that way you can see like which topic I am lacking. Full length live test, short live test, everything we are conducting. We have the next live test on 25th, I think. So in 25th also we have a short live test, so we are conducting the live test. Okay, so definitely you can enroll in our series, and it will benefit you a lot. Okay, and daily practice sets also we are providing, so it will help you out. Okay, apart from this, so this is the main thing which I want to discuss. This is the main problem. Okay, now coming to reasoning part. In reasoning part, it is like, it is the thing of each and every year that reasoning will be easier than numerical. Okay, numerical plus the syllabus is not much as numerical. So in reasoning, please target at least 10 to 12 question. Okay, and this you will do because see, frankly speaking, if you will do blood relation, coding, decoding, and most important, arrangements plus non-verbal reasoning. If you will do these four topics na, and you will master these four topics, you will practice a lot of this, easily you will do like 10 to 12 question. Because see, apart from these topics, from the other topics also you will be getting the question, but easily you can do like 3 to 4 questions from other topics, even if you will do like 6 to 7 questions from these topics. Because you can say in reasoning, from these four topics only you will be getting around 10 questions, and from all other topics you will be getting 10 questions. From these four topics, if you can score like 6 to 7 marks, from other topic, even if you will score like 4 to 5 marks, it would be good that you will be performing at least 12 questions. Okay, so please try to focus on these four topics. Also, the same thing applies for reasoning as well, which I have mentioned, but the level of the reasoning will be easier than numeric. Coming to the verbal part, again, this topic varies a lot. Sometimes the cutoff can be 15 questions, sometimes the cutoff can be between 12 to 13 questions. It depends. Okay, how it depends, actually, the thing which is like you can say a decider factor in verbal ability is the reading paragraphs. Okay, so I just want to talk about this as well, that we conducted a live test on reading paragraph, and I want to tell you, most of the students even did not score 40% in our test. We conducted the reading paragraph live test, okay, and most of the students even did not perform the 40%, because we are not providing the lollipop questions. Okay, we are providing the actual TCS level questions. Okay, and this would be the decider factor in the TCS exam as well, because the level of the reading paragraphs is high in TCS. Okay, the level is very very high in TCS of reading paragraphs, and this is the decider factor. So the thing is, around you can expect like 14 to 15 questions you will be getting from para jumbles and grammar based question. Grammar based means fill in the blanks, error correction, sentence improvement, these kind of topics you will be getting questions. Okay, 14 to 15. Around 10 to 12 questions, or like around these questions you can get from reading paragraph. Now the thing is, suppose if you will do around 8 to 9 questions correct in grammar, the thing is, scoring 4 to 5 marks in this 10 to 12 question from reading paragraph even is very very difficult, because they set a higher level of difficulty in reading paragraph. Even we have set the higher difficulty in this exam, so scoring like 4 to 5 marks even becomes difficult in this. Okay, so this is the issue with verbal ability. It totally depends like how many questions they are asking in the reading paragraph, and what is the level of the reading paragraph, because depending upon that only your cutoff will decide. Okay, but generally, please try to solve at least 5 questions from reading paragraph correct, and at least 8 to 9 correct questions from grammar, because this way you can score at least 13 to 14 marks, which can be a good score. So these were some issues and the level of the TCS exam which I wanted to discuss. Thank you so much for watching.